Drew, meet Middens. Middens, meet Drew. Middens? Drew, Middens? Middens, Drew. Middens? Middens? Middens, you gotta share. Not happy. Huh? Middens?
How you going?
It's Drew, wait, Dad. Okay, Middens, come on, you've got to learn to share. Middens. Drew? Middens?
Like that.
No, she's alright. Middens, you've got to learn to share. Come on. Drew? Hello, look, Drew's nice. Middens, come on. Oh, you are not very sociable, are you?
Yeah,
I know, she's not happy. Drew, it's alright. You'll learn to love Mittens. At least you haven't chased her. That's a good thing. Mittens, come on. Where's the laugh? Mittens? Look at her. She's not happy. Drew, come on. Come with me, Drew. Come on. Mittens, you've got to learn to be... Come on. Welcome Drew to the house. You're not happy, are you? Drew, come on. Mittens? Drew? Mittens? Mittens, come on. Where's the love? Where's the love? It's alright. You're still my baby. This is just Drew. Look at Drew. Drew's nice. There you go.
Mittens, come on.
No, Mittens, she's not very happy. She's not. Go, Drew, go and follow her. Here you go. Go, Drew. Oh, Drew's scared. Mittens, come on. Drew, come on. Meet Mittens. Come on, Drew. Go. Oh, Mittens, you are not very happy. Come on, Drew. Drew. Drew, come on. Man. Come on. Not happy, are you? Not happy, Dad.